Top 12 Best Collagen-Rich Fruits. The word collagen comes from the Greek root kala, which means glue. And like the name implies, it's a fiber-like structure that connects tissues, where it's a major component of the bone, skin, muscles, tendons, and cartilage. They are the most abundant protein that can be found in the body. There are some factors that can destroy the production of collagen in the body, such as aging, smoking, stress, and sugar, among others. Hence, in this video, we will be looking at the top 12 of the best collagen-rich fruits that have the potential to restore the production of collagen in your body. There are some of these fruits that you are already eating, and there are some too that you need to add to your list when shopping for fruits. So ladies and gentlemen, watch till the end to find out these top 12 collagen-rich fruits, and you will never regret it. The first collagen-rich fruit on our list is guava. This humble yet potent fruit lands squarely among the top 12 collagen-rich fruits due to its exceptional vitamin C content and a powerhouse of antioxidants. With its high vitamin C levels, guava becomes a pivotal player in promoting collagen production, essential for skin elasticity and anti-aging. Not to mention its robust army of antioxidants that wage war against free radicals, safeguarding collagen from harm and nurturing skin health. So, whether you slice it up, blend it into a smoothie, or enjoy it as is, make guava your go-to for that naturally, age-defying glow your skin. 2. The acai berry is the next fruit on our list of fruits high in collagen. These vibrant berries also rank among the top 12 fruits known for their ability to increase collagen. Rich in antioxidants, acai berries protect collagen and promote skin renewal by also acting as vigilant guardians against free radicals. Their wide range of nutrients such as vitamins, healthy fats, dietary fiber, and minerals also actively promotes the production of collagen, which enhances the suppleness and vibrancy of the skin. Also accept the acai berry as your go-to ally in the pursuit of youthful, glowing skin, whether it's consumed in a cool bowl or mixed into a revitalizing smoothie. 3. Acerola Cherries. Studies have identified the mystery of acerola cherries. It highlights their critical function in collagen formation for the stiffness and softness of skin. As they enter a spa-like setting, models indulge in skincare products infused with acerola cherries, savoring the natural nourishment and radiant glow they provide. Testimonials attest to the cherry's transformative power, praising its capacity to reduce fine lines and reveal a complexion that has been rejuvenated. Acerola cherries are a naturally occurring solution that boosts collagen and tantalizes taste buds and skincare regimens alike. 4. Pomegranates. Because pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, ellagic acid, and a special substance called punicalagins, they play a major role in the production of collagen. In order to help form strong, resilient collagen fibers, vitamin C is an essential cofactor in the formation of collagen. Likewise, it has been demonstrated that the ellagic acid in pomegranates counteracts reactive oxygen species, which are known to break down collagen and maintain the skin's authenticity. Strong antioxidants called punicalagins help preserve collagen by protecting it from damage caused by oxidation, which in turn helps to maintain a healthy-looking, youthful-looking complexion. 5. Blackberries. With their deep, dark color, they have a remarkable combination of antioxidants, especially vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help to produce collagen. The substances that give blackberries their deep color, known as anthocyanins, are strong antioxidants that also help protect collagen from oxidative damage brought on by radicals that are free. When combined with vitamin C, these components support the formation and preservation of collagen, promoting a resilient and youthful look and hindering signs of aging. 6. Kiwi. Antioxidants, vitamin C, and vitamin E are also present in kiwis. Kiwis are high in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, which keeps skin immune and flexible. Another essential ingredient, vitamin E, functions as a potent antioxidant that protects collagen from deterioration brought on by environmental stressors and oxidative damage. Kiwi's vitamins and antioxidants work together to strengthen the structure of collagen, giving you a more youthful-looking complexion and preventing premature signs of aging. 7. Papaya. Papaya is a particularly effective food for promoting the production of collagen because it is high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and the enzyme papain. Beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, supports the resiliency of collagen and helps regenerate and maintain skin. Papain, an enzyme that is abundant in papaya, helps with exfoliation by encouraging the growth of new, healthy skin cells, assisting in the absorption and utilization of collagen, and gently removing dead skin cells. These components of papaya work in concert to increase the production of collagen, which promotes a firm, radiant complexion and lessens the appearance of aging. 8. Mango. Mangoes, with their delicious golden flesh, are also a major contributor to the production of collagen because they are high in antioxidants, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, supports skin health and collagen authenticity by promoting skin cell regrowth. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants, such as astragalin, isoquercitrin, and quercetin, which shield collagen from free radical-induced oxidative damage and maintain its rigidity and softness. This potent combination found in mangoes encourages the production of collagen, giving skin a supple, radiant appearance and preventing early signs of getting older. 9. Pineapple. Because pineapple is rich in antioxidants, bromelain, and vitamin C, it contributes significantly to the production of collagen in addition to its tangy sweetness. Pineapples are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for the formation of collagen and helps form the strong collagen fibers that give skin its malleability and stiffness. The special enzyme bromelain, which is mostly present in pineapples, helps break down proteins and improves the body's ability to absorb and use collagen. This helps promote the production of collagen. Furthermore, pineapples contain antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids that shield collagen from oxidative stress, maintaining its structure and preventing signs of aging while promoting a youthful, refreshed complexion. 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich sources of flavonoids, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all of which are known to boost collagen. Citrus fruits' flavonoids and antioxidants combine with vitamin C to shield collagen from free radical damage, maintaining its strength and fostering a glowing, young complexion. Frequent citrus fruit ingestion or topical application promotes skin health by promoting the production of collagen and lessening the appearance of visible signs of old age. 11. Apricots. Because apricots are high in essential vitamins, especially C and A, they also play a significant role in the formation of collagen. Rich in vitamin C, apricots are essential for the creation of collagen because they function as a vital cofactor in the enzymatic processes that produce collagen. This necessary vitamin enhances the production and upkeep of collagen fibers, which improves the suppleness and health of the skin. Furthermore, the beta-carotene in apricots, which is a precursor to vitamin A, helps maintain the quality of the skin and cell turnover in an indirect manner. This promotes general skin health and helps preserve collagen. These nutrients in apricots combine to strengthen skin health and increase the formation of collagen, resulting in a more robust and youthful-looking complexion. 12. Watermelon. Watermelon's high vitamin C and lycopene content is primarily responsible for its contribution to collagen formation and skin health. Watermelon is a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for the synthesis of collagen. It does this by functioning as a cofactor in enzymatic activities that are required for the development of collagen fibers. This vital vitamin encourages the creation and preservation of collagen by supporting the skin's suppleness and structure. Moreover, lycopene, a potent antioxidant well known for shielding skin cells from harm by free radicals, is found in watermelon. By protecting collagen integrity and assisting in the prevention of collagen breakdown, lycopene promotes skin health and helps to keep skin looking young and healthy. These elements in watermelon work together to promote the creation of collagen, which improves the suppleness and general health of the skin. So here are the top 12 collagen-rich fruits that have incredible anti-aging benefits. Also check the description for other anti-aging and skin-glowing products we recommend. So ladies and gentlemen, we are almost ending this video, but always remember that those who search for solutions will find answers. So keep learning. If you learned something from this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss out on future health videos, because we will stand by your side in your health endeavors. Also, if you have any question or contribution, Kindly let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay vibrant and stay healthy.